Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to turn off outline text on Google Pixel 7a. Okay, it is very simple. Just open your menu. Okay, you can see now every text have some outline. You can see that. Okay, so how to turn off that? Simply open your settings, then go to display and touch. You can see option of display and touch. Okay, open that display and touch, and you can see another option of display says and text. Open that and just scroll up for the functions outline text. Then you can see it is turned on, and you can simply turn off by clicking that button. And also you can use bold text for better view. Okay, so simply tap on that outline text off, so you can see now it is turned off. So if you have some reading problems with your phone, you can turn on the outline text. It is better because it will be clearly showcase that text with outlines. So that's one of the useful feature for the people who need that. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like and share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.